Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer a device from CUBOT Max free to an Android device. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both smartphones and install free app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Following that, in order to use this app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on CUBOT. Now select Receive on an Android and Send on CUBOT smartphone. From here you need to tap on all of those type of dots and when you're ready, select Send. This way you'll select all of those and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to do it now though, so I will go into Photos, select only one, choose Send and click on Got It. Now on an Android, click on Yes I agree or No thanks and close this window. Finally, we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon here, then selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at this code. But we can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive. Either way, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!